Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. You join me from the cab of my truck. There's no one on it yet. We're going to load up the motor. In today's video we are off to the rolling road with Dave's Focus RS powered Fiesta RS Turbo, the old ZVH Fiesta Turbo. Yeah, let's get this loaded up. We'll see you in a sec. There she is. Time to get this all mapped up on the rolling road. See what power she makes. For those of you that haven't seen this car, there's a huge back catalogue on this. The ZVH Fiesta Turbo that lasted about an hour. He blew it up, and now it's got a Focus RS engine. Find out what this makes today, hopefully. Very nice little car. Let's get this on a truck. Ain't quite what I had in mind for a bit of slow-mo filming going up. Yeah, go forward. You got about a foot. That'll do. She's all loaded. We're ready to go on our travels. We're off to Rochford. He's Rochford, isn't it? Yeah, Rochford. We go and see Keith at Quest Motorsport. We've booked the dyno for half a day. Having it all mapped up. At the moment, just got like a base map on it, so it runs and drives. He's run it in. He's done a couple of 100 miles now. New clutch yesterday, wasn't it? What did you put in that? The other day?
Wednesday, yeah. CG Motorsport.
A CG Motorsport clutch in it now, so hopefully we'll be able to get the power down. Yeah, booked it for half a day, so I'm presuming we're going to muck around mapping for a long time. And when the mapping's done, give it some power runs on the dyno, and fingers crossed it make reasonable power. I think what are you aiming for? 350s, 400?
Yeah.
That should make 400 with the spec of the engine, shouldn't it?
Yeah, Keith said it'd do 380 for safe.
380 for safety, stuff like that. So
because I'd have to go next size injectors.
Yeah, he's going to max out the injectors just over 400 realistically. But technically on the spec, forged pistons, this, that, the other, the turbo he's running should get close to the 400 mark. So anything sort of, well, I'd say 350 you'd be happy with onwards, wouldn't you? So yeah, let's see. Right, I'll get cracking. We'll see you in a bit. We made it. We're here. Quest Motorsport. I don't know if you're going to see that. Let's get this unloaded, shall we? Let's see what happens. See you in a bit. There we go, guys. The boys are just strapping it down on the rollers, and lots of computer work to be done before we start doing anything, and we'll go from there. Let them sort the map out, and I'll come back with an update in a bit.
Four-cylinder one.
Right, I've been over to the shop, got a bit of lunch. Dave stayed there. The car's on the rollers and they're running it up and down, and I believe they're putting the maps on and changing values and stuff. So I'm going to have a wander over there, see how they're getting on, and I'll come back in a bit of an update. But looks like they're doing all the map now, and we'll go from there. just restrapping it and chocking it up, he decided to try and climb out of the rollers. And he weren't even full boost. Brilliant. We'll be back. Just setting all the fueling up still and everything else. You give it some beans and it started climbing out rollers. See you in a bit. Still fiddling with the fueling, setting up all the fueling. As you just saw on that, it's going through the rev range and correcting all the fueling values, making sure that's all good. I'm not sure, well, I'm pretty sure actually they're going to take ages still before we get to the good stuff, but I will keep you updated. That's why we booked it for half a day. There's a lot of work to be done to get it right. So yeah, I'll show you a couple of goodies while we're here. Old BMW, I think these are called a 2002 or something. I might be wrong, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm sure you will. But the sneaky little K20 in there, I think that's going to be good fun. And something else that me and Dave just saw.
That truck, I know.
Yeah, that truck's nice actually, look at that. Lovely beaut. Me and Dave just saw something that you don't see every day. Pretty cool. I'll try not to show the registration plate, but it's actually brand new. It's a 70 plate. Oh, it's too late. I've shown the plate. RS200. How about that? Running a Z-Tech turbo engine in that. It's a kit car one, hence being a brand new registration on it. But yeah, looks wicked. Don't see them every day. Yeah, we'll update you in a bit. It's getting louder because he's running it up again. See you in a bit. She broke. Pulled the plug. No, you pulled the plugs out to gap them, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's got a cracked plug. That one there, all cracked. Them ones are alright. He's just rung up the motor factors to get a set of plugs shipped out quickly. So we're waiting on plugs and then he can carry on setting it up. The joys of dyno runs. Yeah, and some boost control as well now. Didn't have none in the beginning, but now we have. So yeah, back in a bit of an update. Okay, after a massive delay, spark plugs have finally been delivered. He's just said to me that he's nearly finished mapping the fuel in, and he's going to move on to some ignition and start playing with some boost. So let them get the spark plugs in, and hopefully we'll have some news in a little while. See you in a bit. I don't know what the low light conditions are like, whether you can see me or hear me. Oh, the lights just come on there. Yeah, I think the fueling's done. They're playing with the ignition at the moment, and then they'll get onto some boost. and then it's time for some power runs, I think. So yeah, I'll be back in a bit. Let's see what they're up to. Well, we've got a bit of an issue. That boost controller, she no go. We've only got standard wastegate pressure. We've got no boost. So new parts required and no dyno run. Not looking good. Well, I'm back home. It's 8:30. That was a long day. As you just saw, well, what's it called? The boost controller, that's it. I lost my words in. That doesn't work. It turns out that it's dodgy, and you're only getting 0.8 bar of boost from the wastegate. So that made 230 brake, which is quite promising at that low boost. So parts have been ordered. We've left the car there, and yeah, he's going to give us a call. It's probably going to be in a week, and I don't know whether he's going to fit the part, carry on mapping it and do it, so whether I'll be able to film it or not. So all of this wasted video, so I thought I'd get home and finish the video off. If I can film more in the week, then I will do, and we'll do a part 2, get some final figures. If not, it'll just be photos, and then I'll put a post up anyway, so everyone can get to know the figures. So at the moment, no boost controller, standard wastegate pressure, 0.8 bar, 230 odd brake horsepower. So that's it. Yeah, pretty much. Not much else I can say. But it's been a long day, and yeah, as soon as he calls us, we'll go back up there. The car's there, like I said, and we'll go from there. But I just wanted to wrap the video up and not waste all the footage that I've created throughout the day. So excuse my boy. Yeah, as always, massive thanks for watching. Sorry that we didn't get the final runs in that we wanted to film, but it is what it is. Things break, and the car done really well, didn't blow up, so quite happy. And the baby's just thrown up all down my arm. So on that note, massive thanks for watching. We'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.